So the last time we had to do this, it was a lot more complex. We had to go in and manually select the patches, figure out what was going on, and it was just a mess. So now we have a much easier selection tool here called the object selection tool. So we'll start with our same old thing here where we go through and do our base levels to kind of fix the scanner. So I, kind of take that up to 20, take that to 1.1, bring the white point down, kind of like 235. You'll see that where that vertical band is right there. And now we're going to go ahead and use the object selection. So you'll see the object selection has kind of already figured out what's here. So we'll click on the patch, hold shift, click on the second one, and hold shift and click on the third. Now we're going to go in and change our selection. So we'll select modify feather. And we can do this 5 to 10 pixels. I've been doing 10 lately, but whatever works for you. Take a look at it. If it's too big, change it. And then we're going to do select inverse because we want to select not the patches, but the white. So that's appear. And this is where we're going to blow this out and make this basically a white background. Get rid of all this noise and dirt from the scanner. So we'll go again to adjustments levels, and we'll pull this all the way down into the 100 range, something like that. And then we'll deselect, and you can see we can zoom in here, and we'll switch back so that won't highlight. But we've got a nice gradient right around the edge there. Just a little bit of the shadows maintained. That looks pretty good. You still get the shadow, but it doesn't feel bad. On certain color borders, you might get a little color suppression. Like if you have a white or a silver border, you might get a little tan brown happening, and you can go in and use your sponge tool here, and you can desaturate the edge like that if it's really distracting. But that was super fast, and now these are ready to paste into our standard templates and save out as we used to.